This workshop is one of the workshop series under the Genomic Safari tracking the molecular trail through genomic sequencing. And in this particular workshop, we will focusing on utilizing the genomic sequencing data and do bioinformatics and also visualization and also sharing the genomic sequencing data that make impact in terms of public health investigation. So we aim that in this workshop we will equip all of our participants, which have a mixed group of participants from epidemiologists, public health personnel, researchers, and also molecular biology, so that they could work together and use their expertise in terms of using epidemiological data, understanding epidemiology, and at the same time understanding the genomic sequencing, and try to communicate to each other to solve the public health problems. So we have very good opportunities for this workshop to have speakers from Oxford University's Center of Genomic Pathogen Surveillance, Big Data Institute, University of Oxford, and also from the Ministry of Health in the Philippines to give us the information and teach, train in this workshop. And we have learned a lot of tools that we can use to visualize and process the genomic sequencing data in this workshop.
Yeah, I've really had a great time, and it's been a lot of fun teaching the workshop here. We've had a lot of really great interaction, and it's been great to meet all the learners from different places in the region. And it's been really great for me to interact with the people of so many different disciplines and different backgrounds. And everyone's done such a great job of following along and interacting. And it's just been a really fun and engaged and exciting group.
Hi, I really love this course because it's the first time that we can link between the genomic and the epidemiology. I more understand the word of surveillance and investigation, and the speaker give us the ton of example that we can understand more on how to use the genomic data and then link to the epidemic and think through what is the real cause of that outbreak, or it just randomly occur. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Nicole. I'm one of the instructors at our Genomic and Digital Epidemiology course. And this has been a really exciting course for me to teach because I get to share my epidemiology knowledge with bioinformaticians and clinicians and microbiologists, as well as other epidemiologists. And I think this course is a really great opportunity for people because it really brings together in a multidisciplinary setting and really encourages cross-functional learnings across the different groups, and shares information and encourages data sharing between these different facilities, and not only within Thailand but also internationally as well. And the course participants have been really inspiring to me because they've been actively participating and just really eager to jump in and learn new topics and share ideas across the team.
This workshop is really open our mindset in a new field in genomics, and actually we are quite already know about epidemiology, but not to the level of genomics. So this workshop kind of opened our mindset in terms of tools available that already powerful, and we never know that this tool is existing, and so this is very useful for us in terms of public health informatics to utilize it by connecting with our system that can enhance it in terms of genomics. And I think it's very powerful and useful for epidemiology field. Thank you for inviting us into this training, which is very useful in the epidemiology field. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Professor Stewart, to support and encourage me to attend this course. And actually, I am the lab 100% of lab person, and I don't know what is the sequence is what is the sequence look like, and I have to deal with the sequence because I'm a PhD student at tropical medicine faculty as well. So I have no idea what the sequence look like. And once I attend this course, I'm surrounding with the people that have a bioinformatics experience and have good friends in this field as well. So it makes me confident to deal with the sequence, and I know what I should start from. So something like that.
Currently, the Genomic has been using to support healthcare, such as diagnosis, treatment, prevention, and also in the research field. So after attending this training program, I have got more used to the genomic, enhance the knowledge about genomic as well, and I also have the very potential direction in order to learn and work more on the genomic in the future.
Hi, I'm Faye, and I am one of the speakers for this workshop. And actually, it is a big opportunity for me to be invited to be in this workshop. And the objectives of this training is actually pretty good. It is a combination of a multidisciplinary audience. We have the bioinformaticians here, the epidemiologists, the physicians, and also those who work in the public health. Basically, the learnings that we can get from this training would actually be a cohesive factor for us for us to be engaged on in-depth understanding of the public health.
Okay, hi, my name is Natasha. I'm one of the trainers for this course, and I'm really happy to be here in Thailand. It's been such an incredible experience. We have a lot of people here that are truly engaged in understanding genomics and digital epidemiology for the sake of public health. So I've learned a lot from the experiences of the participants. And so if you want to know more about genomics and digital epidemiology, please join the next course, and we'll be very happy to see you here.
So I'm very happy to be part of this workshop. So from my perspective as a lab person, so this is somehow opened my mind and open my world in terms of the bioinformatics, especially in the area of the genomic. So mostly I'm working on the human genome. So this is somehow, again, opened my world to the pathogen world. So I think this workshop is very useful for me because so now I know that, okay, once you have done your lab, so you get the data, the genome data, so how can you use this data to disseminate your finding to allow others to understand your work better? So because mostly when I get all my genomic results or whatever, so I know so what I want to know from that. But so from this workshop, so I know a little bit more, actually a lot more, how to disseminate. So you can have different types of presentations, visualizations, in which you could improve how you report your findings. So and from this, for those who are working in dealing with the pathogens, it would be very, very useful for your own work, how you could deal with the pathogens. For example, in this course, so they also provide the information regarding the epidemiology. So I think that is very wonderful. For us who is living in this area where we'll probably have the outbreak in the future, so then we can prepare ourselves. If we want to investigate the outbreak, so how should we do it properly? I think this is very good workshop, and I would like to have something more like this. Especially for our faculty to allow people in this faculty to somehow explore in different perspectives of the research. Yeah, thank you.
And this course has been really fun, and it's a really great chance for people of different backgrounds and disciplines. So people that work in microbiology and bioinformatics, and people that work in academic settings doing research or work in ministries or agencies of public health, because we really cover a wide breadth of information. So if you're really good at bioinformatics, you're going to learn epidemiology at this course. If your background is in bioinformatics, or in epidemiology, you'll get to learn more about pathogen sequencing. So it's a really great course to let people across a lot of disciplines not only learn about what the other people do, but also meet other people from those different groups and get to work together on group projects.
This workshop is under the series of Genomic Safari series workshops. So we basically have 4 workshops, and the first workshop that we have been done in sample collection, processing, and also doing the genomic sequencing. And in this workshop, we are doing bioinformatics and visualization in terms of pathogen part. So we're gonna have the next 2 workshops coming up. So the 3rd workshop will be about human genomics. So we're gonna work on bioinformatics, how to process genomic data in terms of human genomics. And in the last workshop, we will work on specifically for genomic sequencing and bioinformatics for malaria pathogens. So yeah, looking forward to meeting you all.